Presto Dehydro Electric Food Dehydrator is great for making jerky and drying fruits and vegetables. Make your own delicious homemade jerky using meat, poultry, or seafood and your favorite jerky seasoning. Dehydrate fruits and vegetables at a fraction of the cost of commercially dried foods. Dehydration maintains vitamins and minerals, and there's no need for additives and preservatives. The Presto Food Dehydrator comes with 4 drying trays. Additional trays are sold separately to expand the dehydrator capacity up to a maximum of 8 trays. A bottom-mounted fan and heating element provide consistent airflow, so there's no need to rotate trays. When you're done, it stores easily. The cord wraps in the base, and the drying trays nest to save storage space. Simply flip every other tray over and nest it inside the previous one for a space savings of 36%. Great for making jerky and for drying fruits and vegetables. The Dehydro Electric Food Dehydrator by Presto.